So if you're looking at this question, you see that there are two curves given to you and you have to calculate the sum of the minimum as well as the maximum distance between the two curves. If you look at the curves, both of them are of the pattern x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square is equal to r square. This is the equation of a circle and the center of this circle is the point a comma b and the radius of this circle is r. If you are looking at x square plus y square is equal to 4, the center of the circle is 0, 0 which is the origin and the radius is square root of 4 which is 2. So let us first try to plot that circle. So say this is that circle. So this goes through, the center is the origin. So let us assume that this is the origin, this is the y-axis and this is the x-axis. So this is the first circle. Now what is the equation of the second circle in terms of x minus a plus y minus b whole square is equal to r square? Here you will have to complete the squares. You know that x square minus 6x is part of x minus a whole square and y square minus 8y is part of y minus b whole square. Or the given equation, if you simplify, is equal to x square minus 6x plus y square minus 8y plus 21 is equal to 0. You want to make x square minus 6x as x minus 3 whole square because 6x is the coefficient, minus 6 is the coefficient of x. So we'll write x square minus 6x plus 9 over here because we want to make this x minus 3 whole square. And you will write y square minus 8y plus 16 here because as you have y square minus 8y, to complete a square, the square you are completing will be y minus 4 whole square. This is equal to 9 plus 16 is 25 and over here you only have 21. So this is equal to 4. Or if you simplify this, you are going to get x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square is equal to 4. This is again a circle. The center of the circle is 3, 4 and the radius is square root of 4 which is 2. So this will be another circle. The center will be at say 3, 4. So this will be something like this. The radius is again 2. And the center over here, this point is 3, 4. This is 3, 0, 0. Now, if you are trying to figure out what is the minimum distance between these two and what is the maximum distance between these two, let us first connect both the centers of these circles. What is the distance between the centers? The distance between the centers is the distance between the point 0, 0 and 3, 4. So the distance between the centers is equal to square root of 3 square, that is 3 minus 0 whole square, plus 4 square, which is 4 minus 0 whole square. So this is 3 square plus 4 square, which is equal to 5. So the length of this line is 5 units. So as you can guess by now, the minimum distance between both of these circles is equal to 5 minus 2 times the radius. And the radius of both the circles is 2 units. So the minimum distance between these two will be equal to 5 minus 2 which is equal to 1 unit. This is the minimum distance. And what is the maximum distance between these two curves? You just extend the line to the other end, both the lines. So now you are trying to find out the distance between these 2 points. Let us say this is A and this is B. If you are trying to find the maximum distance between these two, you have to add both these diameters. The diameters of both the circles are 4 units. So 4 plus 4 plus the minimum distance between these two, which we have just calculated, is 1 unit. So the maximum distance between these 2 points is equal to 4 plus 4 plus 1, which is equal to 9 units. So if you are trying to calculate the sum of the minimum and the maximum distance, it is going to be 1 plus 9, which is 10 units. So to answer this question, you need to know that the equation of a circle is x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square is equal to r square. If you are given this equation, you should know that this is a circle with center a, B and radius equal to r.